everybody. Today we're going to be working on our snake addition. So you should have 3 different worksheets. You should have some colorful beads that you cut out. You should have some black and white beads that you cut out. And then you should have the worksheet with our math problems on them. So I'm going to share my screen with you and you'll be able to see the beads, but it's going to look a little bit different than your worksheet. If you don't have your beads cut out, you can go ahead and just follow along with me. If you do have your beads cut out, go ahead and put them into 3 separate piles. We're gonna have 3 piles. The first one's going to be a pile for the colorful beads. Those are our beads that are red, green, pink, yellow, blue, purple, white, brown, and dark blue. Your second stack is going to be for your 10 beads. Your 10 beads, those are our golden beads. And your very last one, we're going to put the black and white beads in order from the smallest one to the biggest one, from 1 to 9. Hi, Devlin. We're just organizing our beads into 3 piles. If you don't have your beads ready, you can just follow along on the computer. We're going to have all the colorful beads in one pile. We're going to have all of the 10 beads in a different pile. And then the black and white beads, we're going to put in a triangle, just like this, from the smallest one to the biggest one. All right, it looks like everybody's just about ready. If you're still organizing, don't worry, you can work on it while we move on. I took the worksheet that has all of the math problems on it and I put it on different pieces. So we have one at a time, but they're in order from the first math problem to the last math problem. So the same order as the worksheet. So we are going to start with this one. 3 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2. So Grace, what bead should I get first?
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet? All right, we'll wait just a moment. Yes, Grace?
Oh no. I just did not look carefully. I thought I have no body.
Oh, no. All right, so looks like we're just about ready. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. I'll go back to the beads. Some of you might not have had a lesson on the addition snake game in the classroom, but that's okay. We're just trying new things since we're at home. All right, I see that everybody just about finished organizing. So Grace, can you tell me for our math problem, which number do I have to get first? You can
3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5.
So first I have to get my 3 bead, right? So Grace, which bead should I get that has 3 colors on it? That has 3
Pink.
beads. Pink. So go ahead and take your pink bead. That's our first bead. Thank you, Grace. Hi, Alicia. We're working on our snake addition. If you don't have your beads, you can follow along on the computer. But just like in the classroom, we made 3 piles, colorful beads, golden 10 beads, and then we made a triangle with the black and white beads, just like in the classroom, from the smallest to the largest. Little Grace, I have my 3 bead. So which one's next?
5.
5. I'm gonna take my 5 bead. We're gonna make it into a little snake. So I have my 3 and my 5. Devlin, which number is next?
What's the next number in the equation?
Do you see what number is next? We have 0. Do I have a 0 bead, Devlin?
There's no 0 bead.
There's no 0 bead because 0 means nothing, so I don't have to do anything.
What happened? Do this.
All right. And let's see. Big Grace, I think Alicia's still organizing. So Big Grace, can you tell me what number comes next?
7.
7. So I'm gonna go get my 7 bead. If I'm confused, I can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some of you might already know the colors from using them in the classroom. So it's okay if you know the colors too, but it's always good to check. Let's see. Little Grace, what number comes next?
1.
1. So I'm gonna go get my 1 bead. And Devlin, what's the very last number? Can you unmute yourself, Devlin? No? All right. Alicia.
What's the last number?
Devlin, what's the very last number? Do you see it? Right up here on the screen?
What's the number?
Do you see it on the screen right here?
2.
2. So I'm gonna get my 2 bead. All right, so I made my snake. So now we're going to count our snake. We're going to count. When I get to 10, I'm going to ask you to say stop. We're gonna take turns. So Grace, will you be the first person to tell me stop?
Okay, but I don't have a 10.
That's okay. You can practice with me on the computer. Are you ready?
I have the beads, but I don't have a 10 bead.
Well, the 10 beads are with the colored beads. Did you print out the colored beads?
Yeah, 1. But my machine has no colors. I'll count if it's this 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I don't have 10.
Oh, the bottom of it has 10 beads, but that's okay. You can follow along on the computer and then you can print out the worksheet again. All right, let's count to 10.
Okay.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
we got
Stop.
10. We stopped at 10. But, We stopped at 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We still have some left on this bead. Little Grace, can you help me count how many are left? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
so there are 5 beads left. So let's go back. We're gonna get a 10. We're gonna get a 10 bead. And then we know there are 5 beads left. So from our black beads, we're gonna get the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means that we can take away the beads that we already counted. We can put them away. Now we have these beads left. Devlin, will you count these with me? Will you unmute yourself and count these beads? Maybe Alicia can help me. Alicia, can you help me count these beads that are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Keep going.
6, 7, 8.
Did I get to 10, Alicia?
No.
No, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get an 8 bead because I counted 8 beads. I counted 8 beads, so I'm gonna get an 8. And I counted these already. I'm all done with them. So we say bye-bye to the beads. And this is my answer. Now let's see. I have 110 bead. And how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 110 and 8 ones. So the answer to 3 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 18. Wow. I want to see if you can get out the beads for the next one by yourself. 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1. Can you find these beads by yourself? Once you're done making the number, give me a thumbs up and we'll make it together. We'll count it all the way together. I see Grace is done. All right, while everybody's working, I'm going to start putting the numbers together. While I'm going, you can check your work and make sure we have the same numbers. While I'm working, you can check your work and make sure we have the same numbers, the same beads. Each time I go back to get a new bead. Yes, Alicia?
I wasn't gonna tell you anything.
Oh, you raised your hand. That's why I thought you wanted to tell me something. It's okay. Will you help me start this problem?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna start, and when we count to 10, we're gonna stop, okay?
Okay.
1,
Okay. 8.
well, let's start with
Okay.
1. Let's start with 1.
Okay.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10.
you go. You counted so fast, I didn't know where we were going. Let's start with 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, thank you. So we got here. How many do we have left over? 1, 2, 3.
3.
We have 3 left over. So let's go get a 10 bead. And then we have to go to our black beads and we have to get a 3. Once we have all of those, we take away the numbers we already counted. Let's see. Little Grace, can you help me count these numbers? Where did you go, Grace? All right, Devlin, can you unmute yourself and help me count these numbers?
I don't know why it keeps muting, and I don't know if it keeps messing with it or what.
1,
1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop.
10, we have to stop. So how many do we have left, Devlin?
1, 2.
We have 2 left on this bead. So let's go and let's get a 10 bead and one of the black number 2 beads. So let's go get a 10 bead. We have to get one of the black number 2 beads. So now we put the beads that we counted away. We're all done with them. Say bye-bye beads. Now let's see, Big Grace, can you help me count the rest of the beads? Ready, 1. Let's start with 1. 1. You can look at the screen to do it with me. Ready, 1.
I'll just put mine back. Okay.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Did I do more than 10?
No.
No, so I'm gonna go and put these beads back and I'm gonna go get a 9 bead. So everybody go with me and let's get a 9 bead. And let's put these back. We don't need these anymore. So let's see. Alicia, how many 10 beads do I have here?
You have 2.
I have 2 10 beads.
1, 2.
And Grace, how many 1 beads do I have? 1.
You have 0.
I have 0 1 beads? How many is on this bead chain, this blue bead? Do you remember?
Um,
9 of them.
yeah.
If we count, we have 9. So now, everybody count with me. We're going to count these beads. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They look kind of like donuts when we do this. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we counted and we got 29. That's the same as 2 10s and 9 1s. So I think we have enough time to do one more math problem together, and then the rest are for you to try by yourself. So I want you to get all of the beads ready for this math problem. All of the beads ready. I'm going to work at the same time. And when you're done, you can check your work by looking at my screen. The math problem is 0 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3. There's no 0 bead. So if it says 0, you don't put anything down and you just move on to the next number. All right, when you're ready, let's see. Little Grace, can you help me count these to 10?
Yeah.
Are you ready? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop.
10, so we have to stop. And we have 1 left over on the blue bead. So we are going to go and get a 10 bead and one of the black 1 beads. So I got my 10 bead. Now I have to go get one of the black 1 beads. Once I have it, I know I can put away the beads I already counted and keep counting. All right, who's my next volunteer to count with me to 10? Big Grace, you'd like to volunteer?
Yeah.
Yes, all right, ready?
Okay, I'll first put my 1. My 10 will be a little different because I got a different 10, so it might be look like this. It's different.
That's okay, as long as you know that it counts to 10 beads, that's okay. Let's start with 1.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop!
And I stopped. Do I still have beads left? Do I still have beads left?
Yeah.
How many do I have left? One,
3.
3. I still have 3 beads left on the blue bead, on the 9 bead. So I'm going to go, thank you, Grace. I'm going to go get a 10 bead. I'm going to go get my 10 bead. Then I have to get my black bead that has 3 on it. Once I have it, I know that I can put away the beads that are here that I already counted. Let's see. Devlin, can you unmute yourself and count this last one? Sometimes you can just press the space bar to unmute yourself while you're talking. All right, can you count with me, Devlin? 1,
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Did I get to 10?
There's a little bit than 10.
Did I get to 10 or am I before 10?
You are before 10.
I am before 10, so I don't have to get a 10 bead. I'm going to go back and I'm going to get a 6 bead so I can put the black bead away. And I'm going to put the beads away. Now let's see. Alicia, will you please help me with the answer?
Okay.
Okay, how many 10s do I have?
2. I already did the answer, so I can just tell you out.
And how many 1s do I have?
2, and then if you know at the bottom it's 9, so you have, a 6, so you put a 6 next to it.
All right, and let's count. Can you help me count the beads so that we can figure out what this number says?
Okay.
Ready? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Thank you for your help, Alicia. All right. So we did 3 Addition Snake Game math problems together, but you have a lot more that you can practice all by yourself. Now everybody has had a lesson on the Addition Snake Game, and I hope that you keep practicing. Bye, everybody.